case briefs, and so much more. LS Data's got what you're looking for.
In 1982, the United States Court of Appeals for the 11th Circuit heard the case of Lynn's Food Stores, Inc. v. United States Department of Labor, which centered on the issue of employers bargaining with employees over minimum wages and overtime compensation. The Fair Labor Standards Act, FLSA, mandates that employers follow specific provisions and policies for employee payment, and that these provisions cannot be waived or negotiated by contract. This case arose when Lynn's Food Stores violated FLSA provisions relating to minimum wage, overtime, and record keeping. After unsuccessful negotiations with the Department of Labor, Lynn's attempted to settle back wage claims with their employees by asking them to sign settlement agreements. However, the Department of Labor believed that these agreements could not release Lynn's from FLSA liability. The district court agreed, ruling in favor of the Department of Labor and stating that the agreements violated mandatory FLSA provisions and policies. Lynn's Food Stores sought to appeal the decision, but the Supreme Court affirmed the district court's ruling and emphasized the importance of informing employees of their rights under the FLSA. The court held that Lynn's settlement agreements were invalid and could not be approved by the district court. The Supreme Court reiterated that FLSA provisions were mandatory and that employees had to be informed of their rights, with settlements only allowed in the two recognized categories set forth by the FLSA. The case highlights the significant importance of employee rights under the Fair Labor Standards Act, as well as the strict limitations surrounding settlement agreements involving FLSA provisions.
Case briefs, and so much more. LS Data's got what you're looking for. Visit lsc.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.